Good afternoon, students. Okay, I will teach today maximum and minimum. And before exam, I have just discussed that is live class. Most of the students are absent in live class. Okay. Now this is very important chapter, and board exam you will get 6 marks question from maximum minimum. Okay, this is very important chapter. Again I am discussing. Okay, maximum minimum. When a function is set to maximum or minimum. Okay. See, I am writing here. Let y equal to f of x be a function. Let y equal to f of x be a function. So now, before that, the monotonic that is increasing function and decreasing function, all of you know. If function is decreasing when if f dot x less than 0, and the function f of x is increasing when f dot x greater than 0. First order derivative greater than 0, increasing, and first order derivative less than 0, decreasing. Okay. Now let y equal to f of x be a function. First find out dy dx. See, so dy dx we can write here f dot x. Okay, and d2y dx to find out equal to f double dot x. Okay, for maximum or minimum, f dot x is always equal to 0. Okay, so write for maximum or minimum, f dot x equal to 0. Why it will be 0? Okay, so here at maximum point or minimum point, if you draw a tangent, so this always parallel to x-axis. See, I am showing here. Suppose the function is like that. See, this is the turning point. This is the turning point. So first you look at here. Here function is increasing. Okay. Then at the extremum point, this if you draw tangent, the parallel to x-axis. Again decreasing. Okay, if f dot x is increasing, here f of x is increasing function, so f dot x greater than 0. See here, f dot x greater than 0, positive. This position f dot x equal to 0. Again this is decreasing, so here f dot x less than 0. So here maximum value is there. Look at it again. If you draw here, suppose you have, look at here. Before that, here, if you draw, suppose this is at the point, suppose x equal to a point. This is a minus h. This is be a plus h at that point. So here, sign will be positive sign. Here negative sign. Okay, so with the help of first order derivative, when f dot x sign is positive, okay, and this positive to negative, so maximum value, and negative to positive, minimum value. With the help of first order derivative, look at here, positive to negative sign, plus sign to negative, so maximum value. Here negative to positive, that is minimum value is there. Okay, now that is why f dot x equal to 0. Here tangent parallel to x-axis, tangent parallel to x-axis, that is why f dot x equal to 0. So here you will suppose x equal to c, very constant, x equal to c, you will get value. If linear equation 1 value, quality equation 2 value is like that. Okay. Now you put here if double dot x at the value x equal to c, if greater than 0, then mean value exists, and if less than 0, if double dot x at x equal to c less than 0, that is maximum value exists. Then what is the minimum value? Put the original function f of c. So minimum value is here f of c. Okay. Similar also maximum value f of c. Okay. According to function, okay, you are getting maximum value or minimum value. Okay. So first I am telling again, one function is given. First find out its derivative, first order derivative. Then find out second order derivative. Okay. Now for maximum or minimum value, we have to write f dot x equal to 0. Understood? F dot x equal to 0. Then there find out the value of x. Suppose x equal to c, you put f double dot x at x equal to c. Then you will get, suppose positive or negative. Okay. If greater than 0, that is positive value will get, then we can say minimum value exists. If less than 0, that is negative, then maximum value exists. Suppose equal to 0, then neither positive nor that is equal to 0, neither maximum value nor minimum value. Okay, neither maximum nor minimum. Keep in mind, if double dot x, okay, at x equal to c by any point, c means 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, any one value here. Okay, is greater than 0, minimum value exists. Less than 0, maximum value exists. Equal to 0, neither maximum nor minimum. Okay? Yes, I am showing the sums. Look at here. See, suppose f of x, right? F of x equal to x to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 22x square, okay, minus 24x plus 8 plus 8. Okay, so first find out see, first find out f dot x, right? F dot x, 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 20. Okay, minus 20. So again f double dot x find out, that is 12x square, okay, minus 48x plus 44. For maximum minimum, for maximum or minimum value, so f dot x equal to 0. Okay, f dot x equal to 0. Now write 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24 equal to 0. Take 4 common both the sides. 4x cube minus 12x square plus, sorry, here 6x square, okay, 11x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, if we put x equal to 1, look at here, x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equal to 0. If we put x equal to 1, this will be 0. Okay, here we are getting x equal to 1 is a value. If you divide there, you will get another value is there. one value is at x equal to 1, and another I am showing here x equal to 1 value, another is x equal to 2, and 1, 2, and 3 value will come. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, x equal to 1, 2, 3. You will get 3 value. All of you know how to find the how to solve. Okay. Now x equal to 1 put here, f double dot x. Say right, f double dot x at x equal to 1. So 12 minus 48 plus 44. So here 6, 56 minus 48, 8 greater than 0. So minimum value exists. Mean value exists. What is the mean value? Just you put here original value here. So required mean value or minimum value equal right f of 1 at the point 1. Okay, you are getting minimum value. So you put here original function. So f1 equal to right 1 minus 8 plus 22 minus 24 plus 8. So here plus 8 minus 8 cancel. 22 minus 23 minus 24, that is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 is coming. Yes, minus 1. Okay, this is minus 1. Similar way, you put here x equal to 2. Again I am showing. Look at here. So this is the minimum value. Again you put x equal to 2 here. F double dot x, right? F double dot x at the value of x equal to 2. So 12 into 2 square 4 minus 48 into 2 plus 44. 48 minus 96 plus 44. Okay, 92 minus 96, that is minus 4, less than 0. So at x equal to 2, at the point x equal to 2, okay, the function has maximum value. At x equal to 2, okay, the function has maximum value. Okay, max value. What is the max value? Original function put here. Again f of 2 find out. So f of 2. Okay, f of 2 find out. So f of 2 will write 2 to the power 4, that is 16 minus 8 into x square 8 plus 22 into x square, that is 4 minus 48 plus 8. 16, 64, 84, 48 plus 8. Okay. So 24 plus 88 minus, sorry, that 0 is coming, no? 16, 8, 64, this is 4, 88, 48 plus 8, 16, 64, 88, okay. So this 24, 88, yes, okay. Now here yes, so 0 is coming. Okay, so this is the maximum value. Minimum value is 4, minus 4 is there. So again you put similar way, you put here 3 also, similar type of something here. Okay, similarly put there. Okay, now next I am showing another sum. See, now right here f of x here x cube, right? F of x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5. Here prove that, sorry, minus 4 minus 9x, this will be 9x. Okay, prove that it has neither maximum nor minimum value. It has neither maximum nor minimum. Look at here, f dot x find out first. 3x square 6x plus 9. Okay, if double dot x find out 6x minus 6. Okay, so similarly, right, for maximum or minimum value f dot x equal to 0. So write 3x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Take 3 common, x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. You can solve this part. Look at here. So x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x plus 1. You can write here minus 2. So this part, look at here, x minus 1 whole square equal to minus 2. Square cannot be negative. So x minus 1 equal to plus minus root of minus 2 is there, no? So x equal to 1 plus minus root 2i. Here x not belongs to R real number. There is no real value of x. That is why given function has neither maximum nor minimum. Okay, this function have neither maximum nor minimum. Okay. Next, suppose see, suppose I am showing f of x equal to x plus 1 by x, x plus 1 by x. Find but prove that its maximum value less than minimum value on this function. So look at here. First f dot x find out 1 minus 1 by x square. If double dot x find out 2 by x cube, no? For maximum minimum, right, for maximum or minimum or stationary point or extremum. Okay, so you write here for maximum or minimum value. For maximum or minimum value f dot x equal to 0. So 1 minus 1 by x square equal to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to plus minus 1. Okay, x equal to plus minus 1. So if x equal to 1, put here f double dot x. So f double dot x at x equal to 1. X equal to 1. So 2 which is greater than 0. So mean value exists at x equal to 1 given function having minimum value. So what is the minimum value? Put the value first. So minimum value f of 1, that is 2. Okay, and maximum value. Now again f double dot x you put x equal to minus 1, two values are there. That is minus 2 less than 0. That is maximum value exists. Maximum value exists. So what is the maximum value? Just you put here original function. So f of minus 1. So if of minus 1 here, minus 1 that is minus 2. See, this is minimum value, this is the maximum value. Okay, so minimum value is greater than maximum value. Understood? According to the function, minimum value greater than maximum value. Okay. Next, wait, I'm saying another sum. See, suppose, say I'm showing, you will get home similar type of sum, f of x 2x plus 1 by 2x. Okay, here mean value greater than maximum value. Similar also, x square plus 1 by x square also. Similar type of sum. Okay. Now I will give you extra sum also. Okay. Listen now. See, I am giving another sum, right? Suppose f of x equal to, right, x square plus 250 by x. Okay. Find maximum minimum value, find out. So we will first find out f dot x twice x minus this will be 250 by x square. F double dot is find out 2 minus, okay, x is minus 2, you have the plus 500 by x square. Okay. Now for maximum or minimum, f dot x equal to 0. F dot x equal to 0. So right, twice x minus 250 by x square equal to 0. So 2x cube minus 250 equal to 0. So x cube minus 125 equal to 0. So x equal to 5. 105. Now you put here f double dot x. So it will always positive, no? Yes. X equal to 5. So 2 plus 500 by 5 cube, that is 125. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. 6 answers. So here minimum value, so right, this is positive, greater than 0. So mean value exists, minimum value exists. Okay. Then what is the minimum value? You put the value here. So minimum value equal to f of 5. That is 5 square 25, 5 plus 50, that is 75. This is the minimum value. Okay, this is the minimum. Okay, just copy it. Okay. Similar way, this is very important chapter. I will take this week another class also. Okay, I will take extra class also. Similar way, suppose x plus y equal to 5. Okay, find the maximum or minimum value of suppose xy. See, right? So y equal to 5 minus 6. You can write here 5 minus 6. Just put the value x, y, x into 5 minus 6. So you get that 5x minus x square. So this is the function considered f of x. So f dot x find out 5 minus 2x, f double dot x find out minus 2. Similarly, for maximum or minimum, we have to write f dot x equal to 0. So here 5 minus twice x equal to 0, x equal to 5 by. If you put f double dot x, so here x equal to 5 by 2 minus 2 less than 0, that is maximum value exists. You put here xy is there, no, here, so max value equal to f of 5 by 2, so 5 into 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 whole square. Okay, so 25 by 2 minus 25 by 4 equal to here 25 by 4. This is the answer. 4. Okay. Understood? Okay. No more today. Again next class also will do various type of application also. That is what's problem. Okay. 3 classes required. 3 class minimum, very big chapter also. Okay. After that will start probability also. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, bye.